Hello and welcome. Today we are here to show you how to unpack and get started with Havells' fabulous new Ovale pop-up toaster. We will show you how best to use the Ovale's range of class-leading features. And it's finally time for you to open the box and have a look inside. Now inside the box, the first thing you will find is the user manual. It's a comprehensive document detailing all the basic instructions and precautions to be kept in mind while using the Ovale pop-up toaster. And just below that will be your brand new Ovale itself. Carefully unravel the protective packaging and soak in the Ovale's sublime build quality and style. The Ovale has an alluring glow finish cool touch body with a stainless steel base to combine beautiful aesthetics with rugged build for durable use. But it's really the Ovale's functionality that will win you over. It includes a smart new bun warmer. The Ovale also boasts of LED illuminated control buttons, which are as stylish as they are easy to use. With one button each for defrost, cancel and reheat, you can exert control in some style. With an ultra-versatile 32mm bread slot, the Ovale can accommodate breads of almost any size. While the bread centering glides, make sure your bread is evenly browned on both sides. For example, you could toast a slice of bread as well as a slice of a loaf of something fluffier thanks to the dynamic bread centering feature. And because Havells understands how important it is for food to be hygienic and secure, the Ovale also comes with a novel hygienic dust cover which keeps the insides of the toaster completely dust-free and secure when not in use. To make even storage a hassle-free experience, the Ovale also includes a cord winding facility at the base of the toaster. The Ovale also comes with a choice of two colors, black and white, to add a bit of glamour to your kitchen. The Ovale operates on an 870-watt heating element which comes equipped with a standard 6A 3-pin plug top. Now besides Havells' excellent reliability and quality, the Ovale also comes with a 2-year warranty on the element, thermostat and buttons to give you extra peace of mind. Take the next step in toasting with Havells' Ovale pop-up toaster and feel the difference.